Hi friends, my name is Simran Troyedi and welcome to my channel Cook Within 5 Minutes। तो आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं चीज़ बर्स्ट पिज़्ज़ा ऑन तवा। सो लेट्स गो। सबसे पहले आप एक पैन लीजिए एंड अप्लाई सम बटर ऑन इट। फिर आप इस पिज़्ज़ा बेस को प्लेस करिए एंड अराउंड 1 टेबलस्पून बटर अप्लाई करिए। Then apply around 1 tablespoon of cheese spread. Apply 2 tablespoons of veg mayonnaise. Then apply pizza toppings and red chili sauce if you like it spicy. Then spread it all evenly. Then add mozzarella cheese to it. And add around 2 slices of cheese slice if you want to. Then add veggies of your choice. Whatever veggies that you like, you can add it. Then add mozzarella cheese as much as you want. Then add pizza seasoning. And chili flakes to it. Now we are ready to cook it. Take your pan और उसे आप अपनी गैस स्टोव पे रख दीजिए और इसे आप लो टू मीडियम फ्लेम पे रखिएगा। फिर इसे आप किसी यूटेंसिल या किसी कवर से ढक दीजिए एंड वेट फॉर 5 to 7 minutes. So after 5 to 7 minutes we will open it and see. See guys, it's so cheesy. I know you will be trying it for sure. Wow, you're gonna love it. With a pizza cutter or with a knife you can cut it into slices and then enjoy your pizza. So guys, see, आपका cheese burst pizza ready है. I know you guys will surely try it and will comment in my comment section for any kind of feedback. I hope that you guys are enjoying my video. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you all. Love you. Bye.